The mozzies here are really bad. Just sitting here watching a movie on my phone, middle of nowhere still. And just over there, that's the house we're working on. Yeah, I'll just go to tomorrow. Oh. I gotta go eat something now. I haven't eaten since fucking dinner last night and it's like 1 o'clock. I'm gonna get a dirty kebab in town. Oh, stop it. I got a kebab. Mmm, so good and tasty. Roll the clip.
Mmm, so good and tasty.
Oh, fuck yeah. Anyway, so today it's Monday. I got the day off today. My brother thought it'd be a fun idea to punch a hole in the ceiling. Yeah, I don't know either. So I'm probably gonna have to fix that today. I got 2 new pairs of sunglasses here. First or second, what do you reckon look the best? Hey, or hey. So the idea is we're gonna cut half on this button and then half on this button, and then we're gonna make a nice even sized rectangle, cut that all out, and then we've got a piece over there, cut a piece to fit perfectly in there, just boop, up in there, and then you just gap your lines and fucking done, paint it. For some reason there's a hole here and then there's a big one just here. He reckons it was an accident. He said he was playing beer pong, got it in, and he went woo, boom, smacked his hand through that. But I don't know if anyone's ever tried to punch through fibro ceiling. It's not the easiest thing to do, eh? So Braden, he's my brother. Braden, I'm calling you out, mate. You're full of shit, bro. So I've got the line where I'm gonna cut all marked out on the ceiling. So I'm gonna cut it with a grinder with a diamond wheel on it. Before we do that, we just wanna go around and just make sure that all the doors and windows are open, so that all the dust it makes just goes in the house. I just looked everywhere for my safety glasses and I can't find them. So I just went inside and I stole my mum's reading glasses. Let's start cutting. For all the shots you're seeing me cut without a respirator, that's just CGI. I could cut it or I could do this. Oh, and it's cut. It's amazing, isn't it? Oh, fucking glasses give me a headache. That's how you fix a hole in the ceiling. Got the hole in the ceiling fixed. Not too bad. The whole ceiling's gonna have to get repainted that same color, and it'll pretty much just blend right in. So that's how you patch a hole in the ceiling, I guess. So yeah, this happened. Ooh. Yeah. A little bit of a dent in the bank account, eh? Well, shall we unbox this bad puppy? Can everyone see me? Good. Alright, this is a big moment right now. Holy moly. Look at that! No one cares about that. That's literally it, his laptop and a charger. That's all you get. Ready for something satisfying? Look at that, and it turns on straight away. I'm so happy right now, eh? I'm gonna get this all set up and then we'll get some beauty shots. With the magic of editing, we'll just go straight to the beauty shots. Bye.